What is up, stud muffins? Welcome to Burgers and Tech. This is Cheeseburgersman with your tech bits today. And I have an interesting one for you today. What I got for you today is iPhone 13 release date, price, features, and leak. And of course, these are just leaks, so you can take everything with a grain of salt. The release date, according to analyst Dan Ives, the iPhone 13 will be released September 24th, 2021. Mr. Ives gave us specific dates earlier this year. He suggested the iPhone 13 event is slated for September 14th. So that is when the event is going to take place. As far as the release dates go, in past release date, they announced the iPhone 12. Last year was a little wacky from all that happened in the world. If we go back to 2019, generally around the second week of September when they announce them, and they come out a week to 2 weeks after they are announced. The announcement date is either going to be September 7th or 14th, and the release date would be September 17th or the 24th of this year. The price, according to them, it'll be around $799 for the 13. And if we go to this graph right here, the iPhone mini is $699, iPhone 13 $799, 79 pounds, iPhone 13 Pro $999, iPhone 13 Pro Max $1099. Now there is speculation that the name might change, iPhone 13 or iPhone 12s. It has been suggested that Apple could call the next iPhone 12s. I don't see them doing that since iPhone 11 didn't get a 11s moniker, so they might just skip the whole 12s and just go straight to the 13. It is a rumor that they'll change it to the 12s. The camera, according to analyst Ming Chi Kuo, the iPhone 13s ultra wide angle camera will be upgraded to a 1.8 6P 6-element lens, whatever that means. He also said that the ultra-wide lens camera 13 Pro and Pro Max will feature autofocus. Alright, as far as storage go, I read online that they might get rid of the 256 storage option and just make it 128 and 512. Apple will double the top storage capacity models from 512 to 1 terabyte. So this is one rumor. I heard another rumor that they were going to drop the 256 altogether and they were just going to do 128 and 512. Make the 512 cheaper, but still, this is the first time I heard that there will be a 1 terabyte option, which makes sense because things that phone is going to be able to do, it's just going to suck up so much memory. 4K video, higher resolution pictures, what have you, and be in line with being able to download all your movies, and terabyte option is going to make a lot of sense. So yeah, that is your tech bit for today. And for your burger bit, what I have for you, this one is a little wacky. Ranking top 50 top fast food chains in America, Guilty Eat, and I completely disagree. I'm not going to go over all 50. I'm only going to go over the top 3. So the 3 spot is Starbucks, and I completely disagree with that. They didn't really consider them a fast food place, but they tell you what to get. You can literally get anything drink-wise, food-wise. Try the smoking chicken panini. Second place is Arby's. That wouldn't even make my top 10, I don't think. They tell you what to get. Try the classic double beef and cheddar, curly fries, and blue Powerade. Okay. And in their number 1 spot, like I said, completely disagree, is Taco Bell. And what to get, try their brand new loaded taco fries burrito and new chicken flatbread. Yeah, I don't agree with the list. I was scrolling through some of the 50 and they have In-N-Out at like 33, and I completely disagree with that. I know there's big debate, In-N-Out and Whataburger. People from the Midwest or Texas or even to the South, to the East Coast, that Whataburger and In-N-Out, like, In-N-Out's better, Whataburger's better. They're definitely better than Taco Bell. So I would definitely have placed them a lot higher than 33. And Arby's, yeah. So this list is a little wacky. That's your burger bit for today. Alright, I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. Tell me what you think about the speculated rumors and leaks of the iPhone. Do you think they're going to change it to the iPhone 12s, or is it's going to keep going to iPhone 13? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, you guys. Have a great day.